here is March 13th, 2025.
Are you coming to tomorrow's Friday party?
Are you coming to tomorrow's Pi Day party?
Nah.
No?
No!
No, totally no.
Totally no.
Okay. Are you actually, is he actually, okay. How many pages do you think you can do today?
How many pages do you think you can do today?
6. 6 is my lucky number.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see 6 pages then.
Let's see 6 pages done.
Yes, you were about to ask me
Yes,
something.
you were about to ask me
What are
something.
the final votes of the pie?
So it's me,
So it's me,
Jaden,
Jaden,
William,
William,
and Michaela.
and Michaela.
William and Michaela are here.
William and Kayla are here.
They are both here today.
They are both here today.
Okay.
Now, today, you have the
You
option
have the option
to save one of
to
them
save one of them
from being cut.
from being pied.
And the way you would do that
And the way you would do that
is by
is by
voting for
voting for
someone that you want
someone that you want
to stay in the running
to
for being
stay
pied.
in the running for being pied.
What does that mean?
You want them to stay in the running, which means they already have been voted for, so you want them to stay in the running to be pied. But you could save them.
That is an option as well.
That is an option as well.
How do I do that?
How do you vote?
How do you vote?
So you can use
So
a
you
card
can use a card
strictly for voting,
strictly for voting,
and that would actually be worth 3
and that
votes.
would actually be worth 3 votes.
If you spend
If
a
you
card like
spend
normal,
a card like normal,
it would be
it would be
worth 1 vote.
worth 1 vote.
Like I would write your name
Like I
on the
would
back
write
of the
your
card.
name
Or
on
not your name, sorry. I'd write the name of the person on the back of your card.
I write the name of the person on the back of your card.
Okay, but what if I don't want to vote?
Then you
Then
don't vote.
You don't vote.
What if I don't want to save them at all?
It's up to you what you
It's
want
up
to
to
do
you what
with your
you
card.
want
Okay, I
to do
won't
with
vote.
your card.
I want to see pie.
There's some here.
There's some here.
All right.
All right.
Section 2.
Section 2.
Let's
3.
get started.
Let's get started.
Wait, why does it feel so light?
Because you're getting close
Because
to the end of your
you're
material.
Getting close to the end of your material.
Okay. Oh, okay.
I just wanted to let you know, I got the note, but she didn't get candy that day.
Yes, yes. I mean,
So-
every 2 weeks is fine.
Okay.
Yes, she's been complaining. Why did you take my candy? I was like, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
Is it tomorrow? So the party is tomorrow, right?
Yes, tomorrow at 4:30.
4:30.
Yes.
4:30 for the party?
Yeah.
Sam is bringing you.
I know that 5.
No, it's coming at 5 to cue you.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Sam will be here between 4:30 and 5.
Okay. And then Sharif take over.
Yeah. And Sam will still be here and take you home if I can't come.
That would be lovely. When did it end?
6.
6.
6?
It's 90
It
minutes.
doesn't take that long to put pie in the face.
Why not 3?
Or eat pizza.
Why not 3 p.m. to 4 p.m.?
Because
For pie day.
elementary schoolers get out at 4.
Elementary schoolers get out at 4.
Oh. Well, at least there's a 4 and a 3 at the time.
I guess so.
I guess.
Eventually you'll get to 4, 3, 1.
4:31. Maybe I should have started it at 3:14
Maybe I should have started at 3:14 next year.
and at 6:28.
And at 6:28,
2 times pie.
2 times pie. Yes, yes.
Very satisfying.
You?
Next time. Or we can just lie to them and say, hey, guess what? The party started earlier.
Okay. No matter what, it'll be 0. I accurately guessed that. Well, that was useless.
Yeah, it was.
Pretty useless. Another one? Alright, done.
No.
No.
Challenge.
Oh, master.
Challenge question.
I didn't even know that there was master. Okay. One. So 2 times. Six.
Let's get the wheel.
Let's get the wheel.
Wheel, 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 wheel. One fourth of 16.
What does of mean?
What does of mean? What does
Five.
of mean?
Multiply.
Now, if it was decreased from,
Now, if it was decreased from,
Wait, what?
if
if the question was decreased from,
then
Oh.
your original answer
then
would
your
have been right.
original answer would have been
Sorry.
right.
That.
Then your original answer would have been correct.
Okay.
Number 12.
Number 12.
Oh. Okay.
What are the problems?
Where are the problems?
What problems?
Where are they?
What?
Where are the problems? You're looking around.
I'm braining. That's why.
Okay, I was just
Okay.
making sure you're not
I
looking
was
up
just
here.
making
not
sure
down
you're
here.
not
I
looking
know
up
the
here,
questions
not
aren't
down
here.
here.
I'm just solving it.
Okay.
Okay.
-1 times 8. Yay! Nice. I quit.
What?
What?
You heard me. I quit.
Well, what am I
Well,
supposed to do?
what am I supposed to do?
Nothing.
Well, I won't do nothing.
Well, I won't do nothing.
What would be your next step?
What would be your next step?
Most of these questions have
Most of these questions.
Sorry. I got this source.
Most of these questions
have fractional
have
answers.
fractional answers.
Okay,
Okay?
including this one.
Including this one.
What would you divide both
What would
sides
you
by?
divide both sides by?
It's with your stuff.
Sorry, what was your question?
What would you do on both sides?
What would you do? You do on both sides.
Divide by 12.
So that's why.
So what's why?
1/3.
Can you divide this by 5?
Can you divide this by 5?
No.
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 Can you simplify it at all?
Can you simplify it at all?
So what is it?
So what is it?
Divide by 30?
Divide by 30?
Mm-hmm. I don't know what it's called.
Doesn't equal 5. What do you mean? 20 does not
That
equal
was a
5.
part of my brain.
20 does not
I can't.
equal 5.
I can't let you write
I
that.
can't let you write that.
That's a false statement. 5. Okay.
Okay.
How do you use math?
How would you use math symbols?
Yay.
Yay.
Okay. 24, 28, 32. 7.5. Having fun there? Oh. There you go. I'll be right back.
Do you need to... Okay. I'll be back as well.
Okay.
Oh.
You know what? Let's put it.
You know what? Let's put it here.
No!
Yeah.
No!
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and spin.
I don't see
Go
it.
ahead and spin.
What is it? What is it?
What is it? What is it? What is
think it's
it?
Triple the difference of 2 dice rolls if 0 roll again.
All right.
Triple the difference of 2
Dice!
dice rolls
Give
if
me the dice.
0 roll again.
So if I rolled 6 and it's 6 and I get 12, no wait, it's only 1 dice. Well,
Triple
2 dice rolls.
triple the difference of 2 dice.
So 6
rolls. The difference.
What does difference mean?
What does difference mean?
minus.
So you subtract,
So you subtract
the 2 things
the
you land
2
on,
things you land
or
on,
the 2 numbers, you
or the
land
2 numbers you land on,
and triple that
and
result.
triple that result.
That's not fair.
You can get
You can get
20 with this,
20 with this,
or excuse me, 18.
or excuse me, 18.
20.
No, 15.
No,
Wow.
15. Wow.
15. So I would have to be lucky and get 5.
6 and 1.
6 and 1.
It just depends on
It
how
just
you roll.
depends on how you roll.
3, 2, 1. Roll.
Wait.
That's not a roll.
That's not a roll.
Okay, hold on. But if I get any 0, I have to re-roll again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The difference is 0.
If the difference is 0.
Meaning if you land on
Meaning
the
if
same
you
number,
land on the same thing.
Oh, like
5 and
triple.
5.
5 and 5.
The difference.
Double.
The difference.
The double.
What?
Double roll, like.
Oh, if you roll, yeah.
If yeah.
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 Okay.
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 Just roll again.
Just roll again.
Here, I'll throw it at you.
You threw it at
You
me.
threw it at me.
Okay, can I throw it on the floor?
This one was 6.
No, just look.
You can roll it on the floor.
You can roll it on the floor.
2!
2.
So what's the difference?
4!
What's the difference?
Triple the difference.
Triple the difference.
12!
12 punches.
12 punches.
There you go.
Yippee!
Go get the die.
No. Okay, actually, I will. I got a 2. A 2. Close to 15. Not bad.
Good job.
And I literally actually got, I actually got a good number.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
3 or something.
Yeah. You got a good number. Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
grateful.
Go on.
I want to roll again. If I find another mastery.
You'll have some soon.
You will have some soon.
Let me look. When boring.
There's one on the very
There's one
last
on the
page. I know
very
that for sure.
last page. I know that for sure.
That's
For sure.
what was something?
There are only 2 mastery checks
There are
left.
only 2 mastery checks.
So it's
left.
this one and the one you
It's
just
this
saw.
one and the one you just saw.
So this one
So this one
and this one.
and this one.
That's it?
That's it.
That's it.
And then I go on section 3.
What do you mean by that?
What do you mean by that?
Like once you finish your pages?
Once you finish your pages,
Once you finish your pages,
once you finish your pages,
I have to assess you
I
again.
have to assess you again.
What does that mean?
Test
Test your skills.
your skills.
Remember what?
Remember what
The first
you
day looked
did
like?
the first day
No.
look like?
No.
Okay, well,
No.
I'll
Okay.
That was
Well, I'll
months ago.
show you
Can you show me?
when we get there.
when we get there.
For now, you can continue
For
working.
now, you can continue
I don't want to
working.
continue.
But you are.
But you are.
No, I'm not. This is just your imagination. Okay. Sorry.
You're good.
You're good.
You can simplify before
You can
you try to
simplify
before
before you
try to think of how
try
many
to
fours
think of how many fours
fit into this.
fit into this. So simplify first before you
5.5.
No.
no.
Can you simplify?
10 and a
Can you
half.
simplify first?
I know. Okay,
Neither-
wait. 15 and a half.
No.
No.
Can you simplify
Can you
first?
simplify first?
I know.
Look at it.
What number fits into
What
both?
number fits into both?
Okay.
GCF.
Well, I'm doing.
G, C, F.
I'm doing
What number?
actual quick math.
It's not quick.
It's not quick.
It is. I'm using logic points.
Okay.
Okay.
But you could
But you
make this a
could
lot.
make this a lot.
Let me explain. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 5 is 16. Therefore, 4.5 is, there's at least a half, a fraction in there somewhere.
Guess what?
Guess what?
You're right.
You're right.
But you could have made this a lot
you could have made this a lot
simpler
simpler
dividing
by
the top and
dividing the top and the bottom.
by
I
By
can't.
Yeah.
yes, it's an even number. I'm sorry.
I know it's an even number, but you can't.
Okay.
what goes into every
What
even
goes
number?
into every even number?
2.
What can you divide?
What can you
the-
divide the top and bottom by?
4.
No.
No.
6. No,
Okay.
wait.
You
Do you remember GCF?
do you remember GCF?
Yes, I
Can
know.
you
Can
take the
you
GCF of 62
Take
and
the
4?
GCF of 62 and 4.
What is it?
What is it?
Um, 5.5.
I'm not asking for the answer.
I'm
Okay.
not asking
I just
for
Oh,
the
you're asking for-
answer.
I'm asking what
I'm
the greatest
asking
common factor.
what the G
Oh,
greatest, C common, F factor
Of
is of
62 and 4.
62 and 4.
hold on.
Are you trying to give me an answer?
Are you trying to give me an answer?
I am.
No. What are the factors of 4?
I'm getting to the factor of. Wait, factor 4. What?
What are the factors of 4?
So I was asking the greatest common factor of
What is
these
the
so you
greatest-
can simplify.
Greatest common factor of these two numbers, so
1.
you can simplify.
1 is a common
One
factor,
is,
but it's not the greatest.
but it's
Four
not
fits.
the greatest.
It's 6 one time.
But does it fit into 62
Does
and
it
even
fit into 62?
whole number amount of
a
times?
whole
No.
a whole
no.
amount of times? So
But I'm.
go
trying-
smaller than 4?
smaller than 4 fits into both.
Okay, are you asking me like 4 times the number or?
No,
I'm asking what
I'm asking what
goes evenly
goes evenly
into both
into both
62
62
and into
And-
4.
into 4.
As a whole number.
Yes.
Yes. No, that's the answer.
I'm trying.
What numbers go into 4?
4 times what?
What else?
What else?
15.
Into
No.
4. Into 4.
Okay, you got 4.
Yes.
What goes into 4?
2.
What, does 2 also go into this?
2
Yes.
also go into
Can you simplify
Can
the
you
top and bottom by
simplify
2?
the top and bottom by 2. Please.
I don't know what you're asking.
Okay,
Do you need me to repeat or define what I mean?
Divine.
define.
Okay.
Okay.
So simplifying
Simplifying
a fraction.
a fraction.
So something like this.
Simplifying a fraction. something like this
means
means
dividing
dividing
the top and bottom
the top and bottom
by their
by their
greatest common factor.
greatest common
Okay.
factor.
Do you know why we do that?
Do you know why we do that?
Because when we do it,
Because when we do it,
we're dividing by one
we're
in
dividing
disguise.
by one in disguise.
Do you see how?
Do you see how we're dividing by one in disguise?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you get?
What do you get?
2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2.
So 2/4
So 2/4
equals
equals
Okay.
1/2.
1/2.
1 and a half.
1/2.
One
One.
half,
One.
not 1 and a half.
1/2.
Yes.
Yes.
So you can use the
So
same
you
Why
can
can't you say
use
1 and a half?
because
the-
1.5 means this.
1
Oh,
half
right.
means
Yeah,
this.
that's all.
That's all.
I forgot what it was.
It's a common mistake.
It's a common mistake.
Okay.
No worries.
No worries.
But
But
going over here
go over here
and try the same
and
thing.
try the same thing.
Can you try it?
Can you try it?
Positive or negative?
Positive or negative?
Good.
Good.
So now it's a lot
So
easier
now it is a lot easier
to see how many
to
twos
see how many twos
fit inside of 31.
fit inside of 31.
14. But you.
Inside of negative 31. I'm
Inside
sorry.
of negative 31.
I know it's 15,
Mm-hmm.
but is it negative 15?
Negative 15 and a
Negative
half.
15
Yes.
and a half, yes.
Okay.
I know you said 15 and a half earlier.
I know you said 15 and a half
I
earlier.
see what you're trying to have me do, but you got it.
Okay.
Okay.
I need
She-
I need
yeah.
workspace.
I figured.
Excuse me. Sorry.
You got it.
You got
I'm
it.
gonna let you work.
I'm gonna let you work.
But if
Don't mind your mother's faces.
I did not say that.
I know, but I needed to.
No, you don't. No, you don't. No, I want one. No.
But like if
But like if
you need this
you
again,
need
I will
this
make you start
again,
from the top.
I will make you start from the
If
top.
you forget.
If you forget.
Okay. Okay.
I'm closing my eyes. You cannot read my face.
That's not fair. Wait, it's 30. Oh. Never mind. 30. Four?
Or number
For
8.
Number 8.
Mm-hmm. 4.
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm.
What? Why?
38.
38.
Or excuse me, 7
Or excuse me, 7
doesn't fit into
doesn't
38
fit
evenly.
into 38
So I already
So
know
I already know
that the answer has to have a
that
fraction
the
in it.
answer has to have a fraction in it.
427.
Use launching points.
Use launching
I did.
point.
What did you do?
35
How-
is half of 70. So
Yes.
therefore 5.
Okay.
Okay.
So not 5 and 2 sevens.
So not 5 and 2 sevenths.
How many sevenths
How many sevenths
would there be
would there be
in 5 holes?
in 5 holes?
Sevens.
Correct.
Correct.
So how many sevens
So
are
how
left
many
over
sevens
270.
are left over?
if you have
If
38
you have
sevens?
38 sevens.
Well, 37?
Yes.
Yes.
I miscounted a little. I just realized 35 minus 38 is 3.
Could do 35 plus 3.
Could do 35 plus 3.
I'm only saying that
I'm
because
only
you'll see
saying
this
that
again.
because
again.
you will see this
Again,
again and
again.
again and again and again.
No.
4 questions, come on.
4 questions. Come on.
You've got this.
You
What
got
time is
this.
it?
Well, time for your pages to be done. Let's go.
Seriously, what time is it?
Time for math.
Time for math.
I'll find myself. Oh man. I'm stuck here till 23 minutes, okay.
Good math.
Good math.
Good mental math.
Good mental math.
It's good math. That'll be 46, blah, 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 and then divide by 5, blah, 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 and then you die, but you can't. Nine, 1/5. Yay! Negative 54. Divide by 9. Six?
Yes. Or,
Negative 6.
yeah.
Yeah.
Like as soon as I do as soon as I did multi-point, I was like, wait, do I just add 9 and then blah 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 blah?
Yeah.
Yay! Negative 32 third.
How can he have negative 22 here and negative 11 here?
He took away 22 and got negative 11.
Oh, okay.
He
Thank
did it
you.
quickly, yeah. I almost got confused by it as well. I was
Okay.
like, oh, yeah, that is negative
So
11.
we got, I got confused
You
by
got
your
confusion.
notation.
You got confusion.
I needed an explanation.
You got confusion 1.
Go on.
To be fair, I was
To be
confused by the
fair,
same
I was
thing too.
confused by the same thing too. That's fine.
You got it.
You got it.
What is your dancing head doing? I'm confused with you.
All right.
All
Now
right, now
we're on to two-step
we're on to two-step
expressions.
expressions. Two-step expressions.
No.
We have previously written
I'll just keep it because you're reading it out loud.
Oh, got it. Okay. We have previously written expressions with two or more operations as phrases.
Okay.
Now we're going to write phrases with two or more operations as expressions. So now
It's
we're
okay. You can watch him because you know how to read.
Okay.
Do you want me to cue as he goes along and say
mean,
it? What works
If
for
reading, no. If extra
Speaking.
words.
Yes. Okay. I won't cue. I'll
Okay.
let him read.
I'll just read it word
Yeah.
for word.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Recall that our grouping words are
Some difference. Product. Quotient.
example 1.
Twice the difference at. Twice the difference of 7 and 4. In this case, we must put parentheses around 7 negative 4 because difference is a grouping word.
Right? When we use the phrase difference of,
When we use the phrase difference of,
it,
you said negative.
Yeah.
I'm gonna address it.
Okay. I'm gonna address it. Okay.
Whoopsie.
Sorry. Go on.
When we use
When we use
this phrase here,
this phrase here,
it tells us
it tells us
that we're going to
that we are going to
subtract these two numbers
subtract these two numbers
before doing anything
before
else.
doing anything else.
Okay.
So it's
So
not
it's
7 negative
not
4.
7 negative 4.
What does the difference
What
of
is
7
the
and 4 mean?
difference of 7 and 4 mean?
So 7 minus 4.
Yes.
Yes.
But they're being subtracted first, then multiplying by 2.
Yes.
Yes.
Twice the difference of 7 and 4.
hmm
Meaning, that sounds like, oh, I should multiply first and then subtract these numbers. But instead, you are supposed to subtract these two random numbers first and then multiply by 2.
Now,
Now,
if I said
if I said
twice the difference of 7 and
twice
4,
the difference of 7 and 4,
Yes.
it wants me to
it wants me to
take twice
take twice
the difference if we
the
just stopped
difference
reading here.
if we just stopped reading here.
Does that make sense?
Does that make sense?
Now, what difference
Now, what difference
does it want us to
does
do twice?
it want us to do twice?
Of 7 and 4.
Nice.
Nice.
So before we can
So before we can
take twice the difference,
take twice the difference,
we have to find the
we
difference
have to find
The
the
difference.
difference.
and then take
And
twice
then
the difference.
take twice the difference.
Do you see
Do
why
you see why
this word
this word
causes us to need to use
causes us
parentheses?
to use parentheses?
Try number 1.
Try number 1.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
What does it say?
What does it say?
7 more than the quantity 3 times.
3 times.
3 times
What?
what?
2. Hey, it should have been up there, not down here, because then I don't know what you saw. I'm not blind.
It's okay to make mistakes. You're gonna make lots of them.
What does 7 more mean?
What does
7 more than?
more than mean?
Plus.
Where's the plus sign?
Where's a plus sign?
Thank you.
Right there.
Thank you.
I was eager to put the check
Eager
mark.
to put the check mark.
Okay. 7 minus the difference. Oh, that's easy. What? 7 minus the difference
So we have to
of
do
3 and
So
7
we
minus
have to do 7 minus
whatever difference we get.
whatever difference we get,
Right?
right?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Five times 2 increased by 4. A multiplied by the quantity 3 takes away 2. Three less than the quotient of 25 and 5.
If I have 3 less than,
If I have 3 less than,
but let's say 3 punches less than,
or 3 punches
Yes.
less than you,
what would we do?
what would we do?
Would we take my punches
Would we
and take away 3?
my punches and take away 3?
Because I have 3 less
Because
than
I have 3 less than
you.
you?
4.
Don't solve the 20
Don't
divided
solve
by
the
5.
20 divided by 5.
Multiplied by?
Multiplied by?
Or did you just
Or
erase
are-
it because
or
you?
did you just
erasing it.
erase
Okay.
it?
Is it 3 multiplied?
No,
No,
there's no symbol there,
There's
so
no
I thought that's what you
symbol.
meant.
there, so that's what I thought you meant. With no symbol.
Well, I know 20 is dividing 5.
Uh huh.
Uh-huh.
We
So-
need 3 less than
We
that.
need 3 less than that.
So
3
3
less than
or
that.
less.
Not or
Not or.
3 less than
3 less than
that amount.
that amount.
That amount. So minus.
It is minus.
It is minus.
Just wrong.
Do you know the
Solve.
Do you know the
the
difference?
difference?
Not this difference.
Not this difference.
But do you know?
But do you know?
Hold up. Isn't the from situation thing?
Yeah, like subtracted from.
Yeah, like subtracted
That
from.
kind of thing.
Yeah, it's like when I
Yeah,
say I
it's
have
like when I say
four
I have $4
less dollars
less dollars
than.
than-
6. Well, 12.
I didn't even give you
I didn't
more
even
numbers.
give you more numbers.
If I said
If I said
I have
I have
4 less candies
4 less candies
than my
than
sister,
my sister
who has
who has
7 candies.
7
No, 16.
candies.
I don't know.
I have 4 less
I
than
have
her.
4 less than her.
She has 7.
She has 7.
How much
You
would I?
got 3.
How much?
So if I have 4
So
less
if I have
than
4
7,
less than 7,
that means
that means
not 4 minus
not
7.
4 minus 7.
It's 7 minus
It's
4.
7 minus 4.
Right.
Do you see the
Do you
connection
see
between
the
what I said
connection between what I said
and here?
and here?
Yes, because you have 4, but you're just subtracting 3 because she has 3 more from your amount.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can think about it like that too.
You can think about it like that too.
Yeah.
I have 3 less, so
I
they have 3 more.
3 less, so they have 3 more.
I thought you were doing eeny,
I
meeny,
thought
miny,
you were doing
Somebody
eeny,
does that
meeny,
here.
miny, mo.
Any, many, mo.
Do you know eeny, meeny, miny,
I
mo?
know that thing exists, but I don't know the song.
Okay,
Any, meeny, miny,
we
mo.
will go over it later.
Okay. Plus 1545 divided by 2. That's a hard one.
How many 2s fit
How
into
many
45?
2s fit into 45?
Not enough. 20 at least.
At least 20, yeah.
At least 20, yeah.
22 and a half.
Yes.
Yes.
One thing you can do
One thing you can do
whenever you divide by 2
whenever you divide by 2
is just think of
is
the
just think of the
even number
even number
that is
that is
closest to 45,
closest to 45,
but smaller.
but smaller
Like logic points.
In a way, yeah.
in a way.
Like
yeah.
2 times 10, and then you get 2 times 20, which is 40.
Well, I guess what I meant
Well, I
was
guess what I meant was
just if it's odd
if it's odd
and you're trying to take half,
and you're trying to take half,
you can minus 1
you can minus 1
to make it even.
to make it even.
Or 5.
You take half of that
Take half of that
and then put
and
half
then
back.
put half back.
Because what's half of
Because
44?
what's half of 44?
22.
So half of 45
And so
should
half
be.
of 45 should be
40 times 2 and a half.
See how fast that was?
See how fast that was?
Yeah. I'm just
Go on.
You got this.
silly. Anyways, I've done my math already.
You have.
You have.
So
So,
what
what
are you asking?
are you asking?
Nothing much.
Okay.
Okay.
Just what my smart. Oh wow, I already done this one. Yay. Minus 7, blah blah blah. Minus 5 or something, I don't know. It's negative 50 at least. Oh, and then minus 6, that'd be 40. And 5, 1, 8. What about this one? plus 2, that would be 13.
You caught it.
You caught
saw nothing. I don't know what you saw, but you caught nothing.
What is that as a mixed
What
number?
is that as a mixed number?
Hold on.
Good.
149.
Good.
Halfway done.
Halfway done.
You have 4 minutes.
You have
4 minutes. Minus 5, so that'd be 16. 16 minus 4, blah, 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 4. I'm very smart.
You are.
Yes.
Yes.
Negative 80 divided by 15. You don't exist.
Do you remember what I said
Do you
before?
remember what I said before
About making this
about making this
easier on yourself?
easier on yourself?
Remember how we had
Remember how we had
a fraction that
a
we could
fraction
simplify?
that we could simplify
Yes.
first?
Let's do that here.
Let's do that here.
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember
Do you
what
remember
simplifying
what
means?
simplifying means?
Yes.
Okay, can you show
Okay,
me what it
can you
means?
show me what it means?
On paper
On paper
or out loud?
or out loud?
What?
What does simplify mean out loud?
Oh. Negative 80 divided by 15.
So what number
So
fits
what
into
number
80
fits
and
into 80
15?
and 15?
15.
No.
No.
2.
No.
No.
5.
Yes.
Yes.
What can you divide the
What
top
can
and
you
bottom?
divide the top and the bottom by?
5.
Yes.
Yes.
Um, 11.
Mm-mm.
12.
How many
How
fives
many
fit in
fives
40?
fit in 40?
6 actually.
Six.
How many-
Okay, yeah.
Oh,
it is
okay, so
16.
yes, it's 16.
6.
Do you know
Do you
how
know
you could do
how
that
you
using
could
40?
do that using 40?
Do you see how many
Do you
fives
see
fit
how
in
many
40?
fives fit in 40?
Patches.
Do you see how
Yes.
many fives? How many fives fit in 40?
8
So
So
double that
double
amount.
that amount,
is 16.
which is
But
what you.
what I done was 50, and then 20, and then 10.
Cool.
Cool.
Mine was a little short. Wait.
What
What?
happened?
What happened?
Nothing.
nice.
Nice.
But
But
you have something.
you have something.
Three problems left.
3 problems left.
And
And
2 of them have smaller
2
numbers.
of them have smaller numbers.
Okay. Nine?
There's a 9 in there.
There's a 9 in there.
Hold on. Just 9.
Not just 9.
Not just 9.
Negative 9.
Negative
I
9.
hate you, negative.
That's what the negative numbers are.
That's
Do
why
they
the
maybe?
negative numbers are.
Oh, did you hear me? Sorry.
No, I didn't hear you.
I was saying that's what
That's
the negative
maybe what the
numbers
negative numbers
doing.
are doing.
They're not the same thing,
They're not the same thing.
right?
Yes, they
Right.
are.
They are not. If you had,
If you had,
Fingers.
if
you
it
have
was,
no fingers.
you'd owe somebody fingers. That
No,
would not
somebody
be
think
good.
that would not be good.
Here, take my fingers.
I'd rather stick with the absolute.
I like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Good luck. 6, 7.
Not 1/3.
Not 1/3.
Sorry.
It's
1.5.
It's
2 and something.
2 and something.
Yes. You met your goal. Nice
You
job.
met your goal. Nice job.
No, I haven't.
Yeah, you did 6
Yeah, you
pages.
did 6 pages.
No, I have 4. Oh.
What?
No, you did 6.
No,
I
you
counted.
did
3
6. I
pages.
counted. Why do you want to be hard on yourself?
Oh, that's 4. That's 5. Oh,
Yeah, 6.
Yeah, 6.
it's 6. Oh.
Would you say your work today was
Would you
easy
say your work today was easy,
Medium?
or
or difficult?
difficult?
How about fun?
Okay, cool.
Okay, cool.
Easy.
Do you feel like you got
Do
better
you
at anything
feel like
today?
you got better at anything today?
Some word solution.
Putting,
Translating words to
translating
expressions.
words to
Yeah.
expressions.
Okay.
Expression. Issues is fixed. What time is it?
8:04.
Oh.
Okay.
Section number 1.
Section number 1.
And these will go in
And
section
these will go in section
4.
4.
No, they're gonna be lonely.
No, they won't.
No, they won't.
You have plenty of
You
section
have
4
plenty
pages.
of section 4 pages.
They're not lonely.
They're not lonely.
Many
They
friends.
said they were lonely.
Many friends.
They said to me they were lonely.
They got you.
I'm only here for an amount of time.
And all the other pages that they sit in the bookshelf with. They're fine.
I'd say these ones are pretty lonely.
These are pretty lonely.
There are only
No.
Lonely.
This one is.
8 of them left.
8 of them left.
What? They're on the shelf right here. Come around.
But they get to talk to the cards.
No, they don't.
No?
No, the cards, I hate them.
Oh,
Is that
why?
why they stay over here?
Is that why they stay over here in
Yeah.
the pocket?
Yeah.
Or they fall out and they want to leave?
Yeah. If you think of that, then yeah.
Good
go.
job.
I want
Here
to
you go.
punch.
I already punched everything.
Here, you can punch this.
Sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you.
times 2.
Times 2.
What?
Bless you times 2.
Yeah.
How would you write that?
Nothing.
Bless you
Equals
multiplied by
By
2.
Bless you twice.
Bless you twice.
Bless you doubled.
Bless you double.
So many words.
This is what I see at the Polar Express movie.
Oh, yes.
When they punch the train
Tickets.
ticket.
Yeah.
Train tickets.
What are you punching at? Tickets. Out of what? Stars.
Golden ticket.
Did you get?
Yes, I got a shirt.
Did you not want any of the snacks left? Ask Eob about it.
Oh yeah, he brought out the donuts. I'm okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm eating all the stars I can eat.
Oh, with the puncher.
With the puncher?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll be here all day.
I'm leaving.
Okay, bye.
I'm packing up.
Okay. Don't leave me.
Do you have any questions?
Can I keep this?
The sticky
No.
note?
The sticky note.
The stars.
You can keep the
You
stars.
can keep the stars.
Do you want me to empty them for
Do you
you?
want to empty them for you?
Let me get that.
Do you want to pack up? Here is March 14th, 2025.
Let's get a group picture.
Because at least came at it with like an angle. Happy Friday! Happy Friday! I'm never gonna go to the Dairy Queen ever again. Yeah, head is very much in the left eye.
Here is March 15th, 2025.
What's your favorite shade of green?
Question of the day today is, what is your favorite shade of green? No. What do you like green?
I think, yeah, he said.
Okay.
I think that's what he
No,
was trying to say.
I think that what you were trying to say. You don't like green.
Oh man.
Oh man.
St. Patrick's Day.
St. Patrick's Day
It's in 2 days.
is in 2 days. What's your goal for today?
Oh.
Lucky number what?
6.
6.
Alright. Ready
All
to get
right.
started?
Ready to get started?
Sure.
Do you want me to voice on or voice off? Off? Okay.
I'll take this out. Do you need a refresher?
Do you need a refresher?
No,
This is words to numbers.
Words to numbers. Words to numbers.
Question for you.
Question for you.
The product of 4 and 5 should be written how?
The product of 4 and 5 should be written how?
So
So
this word.
this word,
Thanks.
thank you.
Do you remember what
Do
of
you
means?
remember what of means?
If I were to say 2 groups
Or
of 7.
say 2 groups
Of.
of 7.
What does that mean?
What does of mean?
What would you do with 2
What
and
would
7
you
in that
do
case?
with 2?
So what does that mean?
So what does of mean?
multiply this on
Multiply.
Multiply. Yeah.
But I don't know what 5th means.
It means what you wrote.
It means what you wrote. You okay, Augie?
What happened?
What happened?
Brain froze.
job.
Good job.
Oh, this is a fun page.
Oh, this is fun.
So, you're saying that the entire thing is worth 250.
The entire thing is
Worth 250.
worth 200.
Now they want the shaded part. And how did you get it?
Yeah.
How did you get it?
How did you
The whole is
get it?
worth of 250.
And?
And
This is in half.
Yes. And how did you get 3?
This is 1/2, 1 quarters, and 1 quarters.
Okay.
So
You could also think of it as this is worth 6. And then the other pieces are worth half that.
pieces are worth half that amount.
or you could divide by 2 and then divide by 2 again.
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect.
Perfect.
1.
Mm-hmm. Can we use fractions?
Can we use fractions, please?
Do you know why I
Do you know
want
why
you to use
I
fractions?
want you to use fractions? Do you know why to use
No.
fractions?
No.
No.
So
So
some decimals
some decimals
are just plain
are just plain
gross.
gross.
So 1/7, for example,
1/7, for example.
because this is a question
Because
that is on our assessment.
This is a question that's on our assessment.
It is this.
Augie, are you paying attention?
I'm
No. Start from the beginning.
Okay. The reason I want
The
you to
reason
use
I
fractions
want you to use fractions
is because there are
is
some
because there are
fractions
some
out there like
fractions
this one.
out there, like this one,
where this is the decimal
where
equivalent,
this is the decimal equivalent,
and that would take
and that would
more
take
work
more
to
work
find
to find
than just writing 1/7.
than just writing 1/7 or 1/4. Okay?
And I'm saying that
And
for
I'm
the
saying
sake
that
of the
for
next
the
few
sake of the
questions.
next few questions. Okay. Thank you.
He needs a tail.
I want the master of this right now.
That one doesn't have a
That one
mastery check.
doesn't have a mastery check.
Let me go on.
Oh, go on. You got it.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mastery check time.
Mastery check time.
Spin wheel time.
watching a van backing up into a parking space. I wasn't watching you.
Wait, what?
I was watching outside. I wasn't watching you. Go on.
Okay. Seven?
I can't tell you. It's a
I
master
can't
check.
tell you. It's a mastery check.
Mm.
Have a good one.
I heard a phone ringing.
I don't hear it.
I don't hear it.
I heard it.
Okay.
But it's cool.
Maybe it was from one of the
It was
cars.
from one of the cars.
It was from,
Do you want to turn off your hearing aids to focus? Okay.
Number 4
Number 4
is not
is
wrong.
not wrong.
It's just the way
It's
you wrote
just
it.
the way you wrote it.
It's not the way that we
It's
typically
not
write it in
the
math.
way we typically write it
So-
in math.
Do you also add 4?
What?
What?
Do you also add to 4?
Which question are you talking
Which
about?
question are you talking
I'm not
about?
talking about that question.
I'm not talking about that
Talking about this one.
question. I'm
Oh.
talking about this one.
So
So
when we write a mixed
when
number
we
that's
write
negative,
a mixed number that's negative,
thank you. We just put one
we
negative sign
just put one negative sign
because
because
this is all one
this
number.
is all one number.
Alright?
Okay? All right?
And then for this
And
one,
then for this one,
do we remember order of operations?
do we remember order of operation?
Mhm. So when we
Mhm.
solve for an equation
So when
Or
we
solve
solve for an
for a variable,
equation or for a variable,
you do order of operations
you
backwards.
do order of operations backwards.
Do you remember that
Do
from an
you
earlier page?
remember that from an earlier page?
Okay.
Mm,
So
So
I'm gonna find it,
I'm going to find it.
but it was one of
But
the
it
explanation
was one
pages.
of the explanation pages.
Do you have any questions?
Do you have any questions?
Do you understand why
Do
it's
you
order of
understand
operations
why it's order of operations
backwards?
backwards?
So what's
So what
is the last thing
what
that
is the
would
last
come in
thing
order
that
of
would
operations?
come in the order of
Addition or
operations?
subtraction?
Yes.
Yes.
Do we have
Do we have
anything else that we should look for?
anything else that we should look for?
Any other operations
Any
that are
other
in here?
operations that
multiplication.
are
There's
in here?
multiplication.
There's
yes.
multiplication, yes.
What else is there?
What else is
You
there?
mentioned it
You
earlier.
mentioned it earlier.
That's it.
You mentioned it earlier.
Addition.
There is no addition.
There's no addition.
You already
You
mentioned
already
that,
mentioned that.
but it's inside of
But
something.
it's
that's
inside
part
of
order
something
operations.
that is part of order of operations.
Grouping.
Yes.
Yes.
So that comes last.
So that comes last.
So
You could do that,
You could do that.
or divide by
or
4 first.
divide by 4 first.
Because what
Because
is the lowest
what is
in the list
lowest in the list
between
between
grouping
grouping
and multiplication?
and multiplication?
Which of these
Which of these
come latest
come latest
in the order
in the order
of operations?
of operations? Which comes
grouping.
latest?
latest?
That comes first in
Wait,
order.
what is
Yeah,
the
that's
question
done
again?
first.
Let's repeat the question.
Which
Which
of these
of these
come
come
last
last
in order of operations?
Multiplication.
order of operations?
Yes, multiplication.
Yes, multiplication.
So what
So
do you need to
what
undo
do you
first?
need to undo first?
Divide by what?
Divide by what?
Yes.
Yes.
And these by 4.
This is all being
This is
multiplied
all
by 4.
being multiplied by 4.
So when you divide by
So
4,
when you divide by 4,
It becomes.
it just cancels with this 4.
it just cancels with this 4.
Time to get the wheel.
Time for the wheel. I'll put you-
What will it land on?
Earn 1 special day coupon or spin again.
What are that?
Those are
Those are
little slips that you
little
can get
slips that you can get
to change whatever day it is
whatever day it is
on the fun calendar
on the fun calendar
to whatever you
to
want.
whatever you want.
Now the options are limited to
Now
whatever
the
they're
options are limited to
whatever is there on the
whatever
calendar
is
in the
there on the calendar in the month.
Can I go check?
Sure.
Sure.
Spin again
Would you
or
like
get the
to
coupon?
spin again or get a coupon?
Well, what does the March 29th say?
March 20th.
March 29th?
It says lucky something.
Card.
Card.
Lucky cars.
So if
No,
you
card.
Card.
Right?
Mhm.
Mhm.
You guys using the wheel?
I'm done.
Yeah, can I please have it? Thank you.
Do you have an extra puncher that you could?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
What does it say?
Lucky card. So what that is
Lucky card. What that is
if you set and
is
meet a
if
page
you
goal,
set or set
and meet a page goal of 5 or more.
a page goal of 5 or more,
Then
then
one of us will shuffle a
one
deck
of us will shuffle a deck
of Mathnasium
of
cards.
Mathnasium cards.
So like numbered 1 through
numbered 1 through 10.
and you
And
pick any
you
card
pick any card
without looking at its value.
without looking at its value.
And then that's the
And
number
then
of cards or
That's
punches
the
you get.
number of punches you get.
1 to 10.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not taking my chances now. I can wait.
So do you want to spin
Do
again?
you want to spin again?
Or do you want to?
Spin again.
Okay.
Okay. We just gave the wheel to someone else.
I'll just take it back.
I'll just take it back.
You can get started in the meantime.
You can get started in the meantime. Okay. It's okay, leave it there. Today's date,
+9.
+9.
So, what would that be?
15.
+9 is
Plus
24.
9.
Punch it.
So just a full
Wow.
card.
A full card. Wow.
I gambled. I took my risk.
You did.
I took my chances. I did it. I did it. I did it. I got 24 instead of 10.
That was a wise choice.
Can I do the punches?
I want you to continue working.
I want you to continue working. Go on. Take it out and go on.
Order matters with division.
Order matters with division.
Did it say a number divided
Did
by
it
6?
say a number divided by 6?
No, 6 divided by number.
Good job.
Good job.
Wait, can I say that? Can I repeat?
Repeat what?
What are you looking for?
What was the question again?
Is it on your page?
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know who those.
Which one is it that you want
Which
clarification
one
on?
is it that you need clarification
That one is good.
on? That one is good.
That's correct.
It's correct.
So, how many clear cards did I just earn?
One.
1.
I got 1 card with some punches. Done.
I'll take it. Mastery check.
I will take it. Mastery check. Tie.
Almost.
Almost.
What time is it?
Keep going.
Time for that.
Time for math.
I'm almost done.
Mm-hmm.
Almost time for section 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Number 4.
Number 4.
Can we read it out loud one more
Can
time?
we read it out loud one more time?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Go for it.
11 times the quantity, 1 less than 3.
All right.
All right.
If you have 3 things,
If you have 3 things
and I have 1 less than
and I
you,
have 1 less than you,
what would we do with the numbers
what
3
would
and
we
1
do with the numbers 3 and 1?
to figure out how much I have?
Figure out how much I have.
I'm done. Okay. Well, I'll come and take it when I need it. Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Do you know why
Do you know why
that's the correct order?
that's the correct order?
Because 1 less than 3, meaning 3, there's 1 more than the other number.
Mm-hmm.
Got it. I was just getting there.
Sorry.
Sorry,
I think I beat you to it.
I think I beat you to
You went
it.
too quick. Cheated.
You're welcome.
The quantity 5 minus 3 divided by 2. So
Hello?
Challenge.
Wait, what happened to the parentheses?
Wait, what happened to the parentheses?
How about number 10?
How about number 10?
what?
How about number 10?
Oh, okay.
Ooh, nice job.
Oh, nice job.
Section 3, right?
I want you to
I
start
want you to
on
start
this
on this
a little bit.
a little bit.
You don't have to finish
You
it
don't
all
have to
today,
finish it all today,
but I want you to get a start.
but I want you to get a start.
I can't tell you anything.
I can't
for
tell
these.
you anything for these. You got it done. That's it.
These are worth
These are worth
2 punches
2
per
punches
page
per page
once you're done.
once you're done.
Give me those punches.
It's front and back, so you can just
It's
take
front
it out
and
work
back,
on
so
it.
you can take it out and work on it.
I'll do this one.
Okay.
Okay.
This one. Oh, wait. I quit.
So
What?
you don't have to answer
You don't have to answer
anything you don't know.
anything you don't know.
If you do know it,
If you do know it,
make sure to complete
make
the question to the
sure
best of your
to
ability.
complete the question to the best of your ability. Here. No. Here. There. There.
I'm gonna just take everything out.
Okay.
I hear I don't want him to think of section 3.
Yep.
Yeah.
I want more time.
You will have more time.
You will have more time.
Expanded form. What's that mean?
This.
This.
Oh, thanks.
No, did you say no thanks?
Did you say no thanks?
If you
If you
don't answer a question,
don't answer a question,
it means you will
that means you will
likely receive pages.
likely receive more pages on it.
So I want you to
So I
answer things
want
that you do
you
know.
to answer things you do know.
I'll get back to it.
I don't know what this
I
says.
don't know what this says.
I guess. I think I'd rather do this first. Yeah, you're taking it from both sides. Yeah, so we get negative x equals, or is less than 1. Now, divide by negative 1, right? We get x. Does this stay the same or does it flip? And then what's goes in this thing? Negative 12, right? That's it. X is greater than negative 12. It's okay
Done.
to challenge. You should try the challenge. But you can leave that for next time because we're about to go. So if you want to come back to it, you're a little fresher. That might be a good idea.
Can I use plus?
You can also use numbers.
You can also use numbers.
I'm using numbers.
Okay.
Okay.
For three tens plus 6 ones. When will there be a piece of cake?
Like easy questions?
Like easy questions.
Cake method?
Oh, cake method?
Cake method.
I can't tell you
I
because
can't
that would
tell you
give away
because that would give away
which questions
which
required
questions
it.
required the cake method.
But it is somewhere.
But it is somewhere.
That's all I can say.
That's all I can say.
Okay.
Do you know how to do it?
Do you know how to do it?
Yeah, it's just
Okay.
I don't know the specific next steps.
Let's go on
Like,
to
let's
I
go
know-
on
question.
to the next
you
I
question.
have the strategy. I know the strategy. It's just I don't.
Sorry, I was just saying.
I
want
was
you
just
to,
saying I want you to go on
to the ones that you know
to the ones you know
then go back.
really well, and then just come back.
really
Yeah.
well and just come back.
Now, so let's go to section 1. All the rest go in section 4. Something you want spending in front of? Just one. What's that actually for you? What's that? If anything, I would be lying to make myself sound younger, so I'm probably like 50. Right, here, try it. If it's unlabeled, it's one card.
And then the stuff in our case is more than that.
Alright, the card goes to the box. And you're all set, Elise. What's that?
Name 3 multiples of 12. What,
Can't tell you.
Can't tell you.
what is that supposed to mean?
I can't tell you the meaning.
I
'cause
can't
it's testing
tell
your
you
knowledge of the meaning.
the meaning. The test is testing the knowledge of the meaning.
Where did your pages go? Your Mathnasium pages? There was just one more to it? Okay.
before you go is to read these two questions extremely carefully. They are worded very similarly,
They're
but not,
worded very similarly,
but not the same.
but not the same
I
way.
know, I'm trying
Okay.
to figure that out.
Okay,
Okay,
I'm trying to figure out the meaning of this. That's it.
gotcha.
So
gotcha.
I just put 2 because evenly.
When it says evenly,
When it says evenly,
it
it
means
means
like as a whole number.
like as a whole number.
1.
All right,
All right,
you did 7 pages
you
today.
did
Good
7
job.
pages today. Good job.
Extra punch for me.
Extra punch for meeting your goal.
Here you go.
Is there any
There you
more
go.
punching?
So these get punches once it's
So
completely
these get punches once it's completely
done
done.
and turned in.
and turned in.
Right, so when you turn this one in,
All right, so when you turn this one in,
there are 9 pages on
there are
it.
9 pages on it.
So times 2,
So times 2,
18 punches
18 punches.
for this.
For whole completion or like
For completing all of it.
Completing all of it.
like all the questions?
As many as you know.
As many as you know.
Put this in section 2.
Put this in section 2.
Here you go.
Here you go.
Is there any stars I can punch?
I think I got them all.
Are you supposed to spin again for the other mastery?
We did
Oh, we did.
while he was assessing.
Oh, that's right.
Spin. Wait, where do I put this?
Section 2.
Section 2.
Remember where these go?
Do you remember where these go?
Yes.
Okay.
Section 1.
Yes.
Just gotta put this away. I mastered everything within 3 months.
You did? Awesome.
You did. So,
Yeah,
you did 2 spins?
we did. Actually, we did 3 because there was a spin again option.
Yeah. So what was the third spin?
The third spin was today's date plus 9, I believe. No, that was the first one. And then the second one. Did you spin
The
again?
first one was this one, and then I respin again for this one.
Did you ever spin again afterward?
Did you ever spin again
After I brought
after
this?
I brought this back over?
No.
Oh, spin then.
So
Sorry.
spin then. Sorry.
I. Hold on, let me look at the.
No, Augie.
Remember.
Or you could just take
No, I-
Or you
advantage of
could
the
just
fact
take
that we
advantage of the
forgot
fact that we forgot
and spin again.
and spin again.
I just want to be honest.
Okay.
But no, I did not. No, the only 2 places I ever gone to was
Yeah.
this one, which is the first one, which you can spin again, and then I
that
respin
one.
again
That's
to
what
get
I
this
was
one,
thinking.
That's what I was thinking.
and I got 24 punches.
Go for it. Spin again.
We didn't even have to put it. Get
4 punches.
Get 1 extra guess for estimation
Can I
jar
punch?
and 4
These 2
punches.
you have left to punch.
These 2 you have left to punch.
Did you already estimate?
Did you already
this one?
estimate this month?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me
So,
get the
I-
jar.
Let me get the jar.
Okay. Wait, did I? Yeah, we did.
So now
Wait,
you-
is it a new jar?
No, it's the same. You get an
Oh,
extra
the
guess.
pasta. The pasta.
Yes, the pasta.
Yeah, we guessed. stars. I want the stars in here.
Where did yours go?
Ooh. Oh, page 4. And then these goes in here, right?
Yes.
May I collect the stars in there?
Do you have your bag?
Do you have your bag?
No.
No, we haven't at home. Next time.
Yeah.
Can we come back?
No, no,
I
they're
have an
closed.
appointment afterward.
I have an appointment afterwards.
Can I take some?
No.
They
Okay,
make
next
they
time.
make a mess. That's why I'm like
They make
reluctant.
a mess.
But
But next time I'll bring
Yeah.
your bag.
just make sure to bring the bag so
Make
that
sure to bring the bag.
we don't make a mess.
We did save it.
Your guess?
Your guess.
Wait, why is there 2?
I accidentally took 2. I'm gonna put it
I
back.
accidentally took 2. I'm gonna put it back.
The day after Pi Day.
That's what I've been thinking.
That's what I've been thinking
as
as well.
I've dated things today.
I've dated things today.
I can't believe you got pied first.
It was one
It was
person
one
that just
person
said you,
that just said you,
and then
and then
it all went
it
off
all
from there.
went all from there. Yeah, it was funny. It was good. I'm glad I was on the inside. You guys did great. It was a great.
I
little
didn't get a
party.
single pie on.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Do you want me to guess? Just kidding.
Can you guess for me?
Well, let's see. Let's see. Let's think this out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Times 4. 5, 6 sides. 9 times 6 is 54. That's my guess. But I think it's more than that.
Also,
There's a
all
lot
the
more
stuff
Also,
inside
all the stuff
too.
inside.
'Cause that-
too. Oh yeah,
your
because that's
touch
just surface.
Yeah.
Oh. What do you do for that?
I
I'm
forgot
sorry,
the-
I don't know the
I forgot the equation.
Volume,
volume,
the height,
height
length, and
times
width.
length and width.
Wait, hold on.
Or you could
Or you could
take the surface
take
area
the surface area
and think of this as
and
multiple
think of this
surfaces.
as multiple surfaces. Oh yeah, well, here, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can estimate like 54 times 6.
54 times 6.
Or
Yeah.
54.
Or 54
plus.
plus. Oh wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait.
No. Where did I say this was? 9. Right. That's how I got 54. So 9 times 6. Oh, 54 and 54. What's that?
54 times 54?
No, 54 and 54. So 54 times 2.
88. Oh, 108.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm. That's my guess. 108 is my guess. If you want to guess something else, Go for it.
And of course, there are
And
a
of
lot
course,
of
there
other
are a lot of
factors
other factors
to consider.
to consider.
So with this
So with this,
in particular,
in particular,
And there's a lot of particles.
I was gonna say
I was
there's a lot
gonna
of
say
empty
there's a lot
space
of empty space
due to the way the pasta is
due to
shaped.
the way the pasta is shaped.
I'm guessing 105.
Okay.